Got creative ideas for designs on t-shirts, mugs, caps, banners, or greeting cards, but don't know where to start with design tools? Or maybe you're unsure about printing, selling, and handling customer support. What if I told you there's a way to create those designs easily and sell them to a massive audience, without worrying about printing, shipping, or managing customers, and turn your creativity into income? That's where Redbubble comes in. You upload your designs and Redbubble takes care of everything. They print your designs on a variety of products, like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, handle the production, ship them to customers worldwide, and even manage all customer service. You simply create, and they handle the rest. Let's dive in and see how you can start earning with just a few clicks. Let's start by getting set up on Redbubble. First, I hop onto Google, search for Redbubble, and head straight to their website. Signing up is a breeze. Just plug in your email and password, and you're in. After signing up, navigate to your account settings. Upload a profile picture by clicking Choose Image. You can also add a cover image that will be displayed on your shop's homepage. To create a visually appealing profile picture and cover image, consider using a tool like Canva. Next, fill in your profile information, including your bio. For a compelling bio, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas and write engaging copy. Simply describe your artistic style, experience, and what you offer to potential customers. After writing your bio, scroll down to the image settings and click on Hide Pin and Save Changes. We'll discuss payment details in more depth. To complete your account setup, enter your name, email address, and residential address. You have two options for payment: bank account and PayPal. Select your country, enter your phone number, and verify your account using the SMS code. Here's where the fun begins, uploading our first design. But before that, I head over to Canva to brainstorm. Searching for t-shirt templates, I find something simple, but with potential. With a few tweaks and creative ideas, I've got my design ready to go. Uploading it to Redbubble is as simple as a click. Now, let's talk tags and descriptions. Rather than reinventing the wheel, I search for Dad Love t-shirts and snag some of the most popular tags used by others. And for descriptions, ChatGPT to the rescue again. It's the quickest way to craft something catchy and tailored for your design. Finally, with my design uploaded, I scroll through Redbubble's product suggestions. From t-shirts to phone cases, I enable the ones that fit, adjust the sizes, and save everything. Simple, right? This is our main product, and below are all the products we have approved from suggestions. The price of our products is adjusted by Redbubble itself, and when the products are sold, we receive 20% of the sale. From this, you can easily make $500 to $1,000 monthly. Now, let's talk about how to make the most of your designs on Redbubble. First tip, don't just use templates as they are. Canva is a great starting point, but make sure to customize the designs to make them unique. That's what will help you stand out. Next, keep your designs simple but impactful. Clear, bold ideas tend to sell better. And don't forget to research trending tags and use them wisely. The right tags can help boost visibility and bring more potential buyers to your store. Lastly, regularly update your shop with fresh designs. The more options you have, the better chance you have of making sales. By following these steps and adding your own creative touch, you'll be well on your way to turning your designs into income without all the hassle of managing a business.